Moving day can get confusing fast, especially when some items are going with the movers and others are coming with you. That is why setting aside boxes you plan to move yourself is so important. These boxes usually include essentials, valuables, or personal items you want close by. Think documents, medications, electronics, chargers, jewelry, or a few comfort items for the first night. Keeping them separate helps prevent mix-ups and last-minute stress. A smart way to do this is to clearly label these boxes or place them in a separate room, closet, or even your car ahead of time. Let your movers know right away which items are not part of the move so nothing is loaded by mistake. This simple step saves time, avoids confusion, and gives you peace of mind knowing your most important belongings are always within reach. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.